Hello, this is March Limited, back for another video. If the audio sounds better, found out my thing says it's connected, but it finds out it doesn't say connected with audio and mic, it doesn't really class itself as connected. So if the audio sounds bad previously, it should be fixed now. Now I've been told that if I tag mag, I don't have my phone on me, I just put it on charge. Thanks to our friendly commenter Nasamat. Let me get the comment signal. Thank you again, my guy or girl, gender depending. Disband all units. Get rid of a C. Unassign. 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 And finally unassign. Put them all in one army. Then click on the army and type the law. Where the hell do I type the law? The law. So supposedly that's a way of deleting undeletable units. Hope it works. And thank you Decimet5354. If this doesn't work, most likely the don't worry, I have selected units, and hopefully it doesn't delete all the units in the world, for that would be pretty bad for possibly me. Well, I mean, I thought it would be bad for me. Tag USA. And our game is smoother, or at least somewhat smoother. So, Indonesia is about to bust. Flying the Crow out to the sea. Get rid of that. The Third Filipino Republic, yes, won by us, and oh yeah, it is now joined. I swear to God, last time it didn't. Well, now it's part of the RFN, under the Liberal Conservatives, or the Liberals, whatever the junta mean, or Diosdado Panga Macapagal Senior of the parliamentary conservative of the coalition. You don't entirely know what its translation is, but who knows? Inauguration Day with the Kennedy presidency of RFK and Eastern progressivism. What's the difference between Western progressivism? Someone tell me, I don't actually know. Because to me they just sound like the same progressivism. Really. Cormac is Leicester's successor. Furman is President pro tempore. If Kennedy dies, that will take over. Him and his States' Rights Party will take over the government. We've got Vice President William Guy. Just the guy we want for the job. Ha ha ha. Another successful operation. Well, either way, that's sort of having our deal, but I guess Flying Crow. Star rises in Michigan and Mormon in the White House. That's happening in Nowhere Cares, Siberia, or Bureaus. Opposition forces are strengthened. Kennedy presidency. Figuring it all out. I mean, it's the first time the MPP has been in office. Champions in American victories. Holmberg wins. New president, New America. Defector. Can you do that? Operation Canap is a go. They're entering East Africa. Please say after East Africa falls, they finish this. Because it's going to be weird. Because I may have broken the entirety of these regions. Mostly Sudan, South Sudan, and Egypt. Possibly Yemen. Henry Mucci, who's a Also, a member of Possessives has joined. The Indonesian Civil War has begun. And like any great person who has 20 minutes till the end of his video, I debug. Yep. And tag delete. And I forgot to press space. Tag space ins. Pause. There we go. All the experienced troops, all great troops of any, are destroyed, eliminated, and beguttled, or beyond it. Alright, who's next? You. Tag BKB. Delete, and finally delete. You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good. You're good. You are not, Sir Serb. Because it literally sounds like Serb. Tag SRB. Sorry for a moment. All my strange pauses. As I was waiting, taking a nap, as you do. Deeply sorry for the random pause, as I was just looking up something. Also, congratulations to Al Jalali and his new government, which is most likely his government, counting he controls most of the region. So now to this one, MKS, tag MKS. Delete, delete, delete. Delete, and finally delete. If you're complaining that I'm hacking, which if you've watched so many videos, why haven't you complained earlier? Well, be complaining. I don't remember what I just said. My memory is terrible. Anyway, that aside, and other stuff too, it's time to free Indonesia from what could be itself. Turn up the heat. Now we can do all this stuff. The Königsberg Treaty signed, so Poland is peacefully reintegrated into the Reich. Indonesia is burning. All we can do now is wait. Cross the aisle. Nothing ever done there. Oh, Magna Carta went NKVD. Auto saving. Can I do any of this? Nope. Send one more troop to Indonesia. I've already started the war. I think this new function doesn't cloud up that easily. So how many troops may I able to send to D? 2. Split. Wait, no. Where's the airborne? Shift, shift. You've been shift off. And in 1 minute, we'll have 10 minutes left, so 11 minutes. Sorry for getting the halfway point. Let's start with and our prim soldiers have come ashore. Military coup in Cambodia. Meeting with LBJ. Go to there. Put you in charge. Coordinate Australian patrols. Random questions. Okay, or to say pop off to the island, which I am doing now. Whilst this one goes to Penang. If this is over, that's quick. No, it's not. Necessary sacrifices have been made, and we will rally the progressives to our cause. Our support in the south has decreased, although the nationalists are still cooperating with us. Following their coffers, so they will like us even more. And I still don't have a front line again. There we go. Rallying the progressives. Random questioning on board. In memorial to the old KA. By Indonesian stuff. And our soldiers go forth into the Borneo region. Another faction of the Osland front has been destroyed. Sorry, I forgot to close it down. Nope, I was trying to collect my troops, the auto-saving. The Armenians are revolting in Turkey. Because the Turkish aren't really treating the Armenians well. Alright. Now, since I can't go anywhere else, with malice towards none. Start of the civil rights bill. Some more warlords are crushed in Siberia, or West Russia. That's happening with commercials. And then more goods. Get more political power, CP. And give them some fighters to fight with. the Pontiac or Pontiac. Nuclear plant research. There's that. Water to here. Moving some wrinkles. So we got a PR win. A thunder door. Sorry, I couldn't be able to press it because I accidentally held down my I held down my mouse. Can't speak today, even have a drink with me. A non-alcoholic one, milk I mean. Some delicious milk. You can't see it, but there is milk. 4 minutes to the end of the video, only into 2, 1, now it's 3, moving forward. And you go to Singawang. Also, Colombia's about to implode. CP2222. So we can finally put some mines in Magdalena. Everywhere is peachy. Let's get to over there. Shall we? Aquila has taken over. Now to Balikpapan. The West African Alliance has been formed. Swamba exists. Can't have that. Mostly because it will definitely crash to the game in West Africa, I mean, specifically. It will 100% just crash the game. Like, you can't even win it. You'll just constantly have to free fence war on continuation. Can't do anything. It's basically sucks. They are a big cow, but well, not playing a joke. Alright, that should deal with the problem for now. Now to tag IEA to deal with that front that is somehow imploded. Tag USA. To debug. the yard for a change of pace. And normal vision cameras. I'm not going to end this till who's even left in this faction? Most because I don't know how simple it is for it to end. Until we have won, which is like in a few minutes. But we are somehow holding Sarah Badger very well, even if they're surrounded by the commies. Anyway, auto saves. Because here comes the cavalry, who could have possibly flown over there, but like, how far can a helicopter fly without it crashing? Or needing more juice in the name of bipartisanship. The door stands ajar. Maybe a bit moderate, but hey. Successful. There's still a war. Flying through. Another agent in the works. The Hoi4 Dunza. Yeah, and here. Now come on. Let's kill these damn cartons. For an independent pro-American Indonesia. Not under Sukarno or Suharto. Both of which were Japanese collaborators, by the way. Oh, a bunch of occupied areas were basically areas that were occupied by the Japanese, who are still occupying them, by the way. Well, we're doing me a favour. Sir Badger's on the fall. Peace in Indonesia, and we got a success there. Free and independent Indonesia. Our score goes stupidly up. All under V. Jerakan Indonesia Americana. Transitioning democracy paternalism. I don't know what that stands for. Mohammed Hatta is the leader, at least. As the dust clears in broken Jakarta, it is now clear Mohammed Hatta and the Free Government, with the generous assistance of the USA and Australia, have won the Indonesian Civil War. The war has taken a tremendous toll on Indonesia, repairing the damage most important for the new government's many tasks. Much work is needed, even as the country rebuilds. However, Hatta not keen on returning to the old ways of doing things. As many other around Indonesia are eager to build a new political order, one less centralized than Sukarno's. Hatta himself become something of a revolutionary icon. There are whispers around Jakarta of discontent at this status, particularly among the colonels who led the military campaigns. Those problems will be dealt with later. For now, only peace. So there's a possible coup attempt, who knows? Anyway, they're a part of the American faction, and I'm happy for them. So, well done, Mohammed Hatta. My hatter is off to you. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, that's been today's video. Enjoy that we finished the Indonesian Civil War in one video instead of stretching it out. And be prepared for next time when we have to deal with the new, much more deadlier, Colombian Civil War. Also this. Jesus Christ. Skoda's doing its thing. And Addis Ababa has already fallen. And now it's in Mombasa. So hopefully Yugoslavia fixes that. Hopefully we can fix Colombia. And finally, when this starts, let's hope it's just between the French and the... What even in this? The Ghanans, Malians, the Wolfians, or the Wolof, and the Jolan people. So that's a protectorate, that's signatory. So those are signatories, but you're a protectorate. You didn't even that's protectorate, isn't it? You're under a shadow. Alright, well that's been that. Hope to see you next time, hope to see you again, and finally, bye-bye. Bye.